Welcome back. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and today is part 3 of my garage redo. So I've done the demo, had the installation done, and today is the start of drywall. So I'm going to go to Home Depot. My friend Frank is actually coming with a truck and trailer to help me out there. So check out him on Instagram at For the Love of Grace. I'll put it somewhere in the video. And we're going to head to Home Depot, pick up some stuff, and bring you along for the ride. So Frank is here with the trailer, and we're going to go to Home Depot. Back from Home Depot, going to start the drywall. Frank is over there, and he doesn't know why he's helping me. I don't know why either. So, we're gonna get started. that the drywall is done, it's taped and mudded, I'm going to go ahead and start priming it and get working on that, and then it'll be paint and then reinstalling all the outlets. It's going to take some time, so let's get started. What's going on, everybody? This is like day 9, 10, 11, I don't know, of redoing my garage. So I have painted the walls. I reinstalled the outlets last night. I didn't film any of that just because I wanted it done fast, and filming makes everything twice as long. So now I need to clean up the shop. I'm going to go ahead and film part of that, time lapse it, and get to work. So far I've been able to sweep up the bigger pieces, throw out a lot of the bigger stuff. I have swept up some of the drywall dust and then used the shop vac and got the smaller stuff. But a lot more of the debris is in the middle of my garage, which is currently full of stuff. My weekend is going to be taking all of this out of the garage, doing a full sweep of the entire thing, probably mopping it to get rid of all of the fine dust that I can't actually get up with a shop vac, and then move everything back in and dust it all off and make it look good as new. So I will start that process probably tomorrow or the next day. So I will catch up with you then.